Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name is Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today is July the 18th and our devotion is As We Hope. Rejoice in hope. Be patient in tribulation. Be constant in prayer. Romans 12:12. If you really think about it, are we ever not waiting? Is there not always a blessing, a healing, or a milestone in the distance? What a wonderful encouragement this is from Paul. While you hope, rejoice in expectations of the things you hope for. Celebrate now. While you suffer, find patience, relax, rest, and learn and lean into the promise that this too will pass. Pray, remain constant, and be faithful, believing God's willingness and desire for you to have your heart's desire. Bring it constantly to Him. It's true. God, I am always waiting. Thank you for reminding me that as I wait, I have a reason to hope, patience to preserve, and the privilege of coming to you with all my heart longs for. The nighttime devotion. God makes everything better. Waiting ushers in hope when we surrender our concerns to Him. Troubles produce patience, giving us peace and serenity that defies our situation. Even in the midst of a crisis, our heartfelt prayers can deliver us beyond our circumstances to a place of serenity. As we trust Him, as we come before Him, and as we hope in Him, He fills us with joy. The question of the day. Which of these three encouragements comes the most natural for you? For me, I think the one that comes most natural is trusting in God. That no matter what I'm going through, I know He's got my back. Now, there was a time when I really didn't think so, but now I do. One day I will share what changed my mind about God. But until then, I want to thank you all for watching. If you would like to subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I appreciate it. And remember, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.